Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic text correction on this device. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then choose System and Updates. Now you need to click on Languages and Input, Celia Keyboard, and finally Input. Over here, just click on this switcher next to autocorrection, and after that, automatic text correction is off. But you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same no gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!